How to delete Instagram block list without unblocking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Instagram block list without manually unblocking each users. It's a very simple process, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app and make sure to log in with your account. Now once inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. And once you are in the profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner. And once you are in the settings and activity page, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled blocked. And here you will see the all accounts that you have blocked. Now take a screenshot of the page and this will be needed for the next step. Now go back to the settings and privacy menu, and from there you can simply scroll down and tap on help. And after that simply select a report or problem. And after tapping on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu you simply have to tap on report problem. Now next tap on include and continue. And after that, upload the screenshot you just took and write a short message in the description box explaining that you want your block list to be removed. And once you have uploaded the screenshot and filled in the details, simply tap on send. And the Instagram support team will review your request and automatically remove the block list without requiring you to unblock each account manually. And that's it. That's how you can delete your Instagram block list without unblocking users one by one. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.